Dude, I am like in a mood. I am in an irritated, angerified, place a pizza slice on my arm and I might cook it kind of mood. I'm just, I'm a little spiced up. I'm a little heated right now. You know, Chapter 5 of Generation 5 came out this month, and I just had no idea.
Corner, Fluttershy was having the best bachelorette party.
So I'm watching that now. Well, not right now, but you know what I mean.
Helping her take care of her animals and all the chores around the house. She felt like she was taking advantage of them, but they insisted that they're doing their jobs as her friends. Soon, more and more ponies began to show up for the party, definitely more than she expected to show. But it was nice to have all of her friends there, like Lyra, Bonbon, Carrot Top, Ditsy Doo, Cadence, and
Carrot Top,
who of course has Rainbow Dash by her side the whole time.
Thank you all so much.
We should rename Spitfire to Spitty.
I just have one question. That is, if any of you would be kind enough to answer. What do you do at a bachelorette party?
Well, I've been doing some reading on
You become a bachelor. You become the bachelor monster.
Talk about things that we couldn't in front of our cult friends.
Wait a second. Fluttershy's the only one here with a man.
However, there doesn't always have to be one in a domestic union.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine. Then I guess we just talk about the normal stuff we normally do.
And when Rarity will be here.
Come, Tinky, you ate the foil. You ate the wrapper.
And we cut to Rarity's, where she's laboring over whether to put which gems on a particular outfit.
Okay, this one's nice, but what about this one? I don't know what to do. What do you want me to do? I don't know. Ah!
Oh, really? Come on. Well, guess I gotta play my awesome party mix without her. Oh,
Jesus.
Ladies, I have an idea. How about we pick some unmarried guys and talk about how hot they are?
Creating
Now that is a good
tsunami
idea,
waves with the.
Plus, you're staying on topic. Even better.
But wait, before we get into that, Twilight, what are some of the symptoms of pregnancy? Just so I know, just in case.
Well, being incredibly shy is one of
I've
them.
dealt with pregnant animals before, but some of the symptoms are different for ponies.
It's alright, Fluttershy. I know you're just thinking about the baby.
This isn't a baby shower yet, you know.
We know, Rainbow. But Fluttershy, now that you're 2 months of pregnancy, the symptoms may include
Man, I'm
frequent
hungry.
urination.
And on that note, please excuse me. I gotta go!
Please excuse me. I gotta go. I got myself some Fritos. Cough.
Fatigue. Dizziness and or fainting.
I got this, Twilight. Fluttershy, wake up! The cottage is on fire! Angel is dead!
There's a nuclear bomb!
No, my angel! Where's my angel?
He's fine. I was just kidding. But now that I have your attention, why don't we play some games or something?
Ooh, I know what to play.
What?
A game.
You run a board game with this kind of party?
Emphasis on the board.
Aw, come on, girls. I didn't think this game would be very fun either, but after I played it for the first time, I couldn't stop. I ended up playing it 5 times that day. It's
Is it
so fun.
Monopoly?
Alright. I guess we can give it a try. And maybe we could put a little wager on it.
Oh yeah, I'm with you on that, Spitfire.
How about loser has to wear a kick me sign for the rest of the week?
You're so funny,
My
Spitfire.
God.
Yeah.
Rainbow,
She's playing her own
God
game
dang.
called Kiss the Plot.
I wonder what the boys are up to. Well, I suppose it's none of our business, I guess.
Hey! What's Shining Armor gonna get here?
Didn't he come here with Princess Kins?
Sorry I'm late, guys. But I brought a friend with me.
A friend?
Every pony, this
We
is
don't
Soren
take
from the Wonder
friends.
Sup? Who's the poor soul getting hitched?
Right here.
Oh man, I feel sorry for you. But you know, since this is your last night of freedom, we should make this a party to remember.
Cheers to freedom.
A little fun. Maybe call in some female entertainment.
Oh, like singers or jugglers? Maybe even some clowns. Or maybe a clown
Spike,
that can sing
you
and
don't
juggle
wear
chainsaws.
clothes. You wouldn't understand.
No. I mean like prostitutes. Get some action up in this snore fest.
My God. Get some action.
I don't think Fluttershy would forgive me about that, Soren.
Look, Disky, this is your last night being a real man.
Disky.
After you get married, you'll lose that
That's a
feeling.
new one.
You'll be castrated.
But physically?
Nah, just metaphorically. The wife will be nagging about everything you do for the rest of your life. Am I right, Shining Armor?
Oh, come on, Soren. It's not that bad, actually. Sometimes we come to a mutual agreement and... Oh, who am I kidding? My manhood has been drained!
I've been nagged too much in my life.
Soren, call the prostitutes. I don't have their phone number.
Hey, Discord? I have a question.
And what would that be, my purple...
I'm not answering your
What's a prostitute?
question, Spike.
Is it some kind of ice cream?
Let's get this party rockin'!
Soon after that, the library was full of them. 16 of them. One was giving Big Mac a lap dance, and the other was massaging his shoulders. Overall, he didn't enjoy any of it.
Yep. Your rear end is, very nice. You can stop now. Please stop showing me your rear.
Come on, Big
You
Mac.
ladies got to understand. I'm married. Married, I tell you. I mean, I can't just... What are you doing? Oh, get off of me!
So, there I was, plummeting to my death. I knew there was only
Soren
one
the
way
player.
out, so I waited till the last possible second, then I gathered my strength, unfurled my wings, and did a double barrel roll, landing safely
Double barrel
on the
roll.
rocky surface below.
I win! Not yet, but you might win in a few spaces.
Oh, don't
Well,
make me
at least
start doing
everybody
Mario
at this party is
voices.
having fun.
Wahoo!
Oh, looks like it's Twilight's turn. Not much happening here. Okay, Fluttershy's turn.
Check it out. Fluttershy got the married spot. This game is
Is
amazing.
it Tug Game of Life?
What's saying you, Sugar Cube? You have to admit that it was funny.
I know, but suddenly I just feel like something is off. As if I should be worried about something.
Oh, I'm sure it's nothing.
I don't know. It doesn't feel like nothing. Please excuse me.
Haha.
Sorry about this, everybody.
Haha. Oh God.
I'll go follow her and investigate.
Well, I do love a good mystery.
It's time to panic!
You, Twilight Sparkle.
Yeah, I want a little hoof too. Though I wish they were hands.
Oh, Lyra.
All the mares began to follow the pregnant yellow Pegasus down the road to the library. As Fluttershy approached, she asked her what she saw in the window. 2 Pegasus prostitutes were hovering around her fiancé, and he looked like he was enjoying the attention and the ladies.
You were right, Soren. He's the best.
What'd I tell ya?
I mean, you just give them money and they'll do whatever you want. Here you go. Now go eat some dirt.
Oh my
This
God.
is the best day of my life.
What is this?
It was him!
What? That was... How dare you? Well... Oh man. It's more than Discord that's about to die. God damn. Also, I'm sorry if my eating chips is too loud for you. I'll try to quiet down a little bit. Boom.
So, yes. Fluttershy clearly was not happy with what she and the others had just walked into, and...
Get out! Get out of here, you disgusting people! You bitch! Get
People?
out of here! Get away
Damn!
from my husband!
Well, I
Let's have a
think
damn
everyone
counter
gets
in
the
this
idea.
That's
video.
it!
If
Get
I had
out!
it in
Out,
edit,
out,
if I could
Get
edit.
out of here! And don't you ever come back!
What pow?
So we're still getting paid, right?
I said out!
Thank you.
Scattaloo.
Oh, no, you don't.
Ah!
What in the hay is wrong with you? Here, I thought Granny raised you better.
Trust me, sis. I didn't enjoy any of it. Not even when that purple one was gonna grab my. Oh! I just wanted to play cards and eat donuts. Then that hotshot swooped in and convinced Discord to hire a bunch of prostitutes. That pink one wouldn't get her rear out of my face, and the green one kept accosting me. I'm the victim here. I've been traumatized.
Soren!
Poor Big
How
Mac
many times do I have to
Man.
remind you not to party too hard? You have a performance tomorrow. You ain't no party rock.
In shining armor of the Royal Guard and Prince of the Crystal Empire.
Uh-oh.
You have a lot of explaining to do, mister.
Dear, you know I would never, ever cheat on you with one of these girls. I mean, I didn't like any of them, and none of them were as pretty as you, my beautiful alicorn princess waifu. I mean, wife. I mean, seriously, you're the most.
Cadence is alright.
Well, if that's how you really feel, then why don't we head back to our castle and see just how stiff I make that horn of yours?
Yes!
Woo! Woo! Whew. Sorry, I'm making that noise because, you know, the Frito's hot, you know? It's a hot Frito. It's not even a hot Frito, it's a regular Frito.
Oh, my sweet princess, yes! Later, mofos!
Lucky Shining.
See ya, Twiley.
Oh my gosh, where's Spike?
Well now, looks like this baby dragon is now a manly dragon. Twilight finds Spike in a bathtub with two prostitutes who were rubbing and washing his purple scales and kissing his cheeks. Lucky little bastard.
Ladies, there's enough of me for the two of you. And maybe one more. Why don't you two start rubbing my...
Spike?
No! Don't pull me out, Twilight! I want to stay in. It's so hot and wet and...
Spike! Enough! Fluttershy, we got two more up here!
After all of that, the few remaining ponies that were still there quickly looked at the door.
Man, these are some damn good Fritos.
Trying to breathe in slow and calm breaths.
Every pony, please leave. My fiance and I need to talk.
But Fluttershy, this is my house.
Too bad.
Now!
Yes, well, of course, after Fluttershy
Go-
kindly
go-
asks
go-
the others to
go
leave, she spots a
be
certain
a
goat-legged
still
male begin to
PNG
tiptoe
in the
away
corner.
towards the door.
Well,
But then
drawing.
Fluttershy...
Go be a still drawing.
Fluttershy, I can explain. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, baby, okay? I'm really, really, really sorry.
You think you're sorry? Huh? Is that it? How are you ever going to prove to me that you're sorry, huh? Sorry doesn't always fix things, Discord.
But my dear Fluttershy, I would never cheat on you. You're the only filly for me. You're my...
You know, I've realized something. You guys can probably tell if I'm away from the screen or not. Because, you know, if I'm there, I'll be eating the chips. But if I'm not, you know, you can't, you know, you don't know. Like, I don't know if you guys heard me eating the chip. You might have been be hearing the chip, but I don't know.
Dear Fluttershy.
Then what about those girls? They could have given you an STD or any of those other nasty things.
Why would I want to?
STD
That means
stands
I'm
for
giving
standing.
whatever that it was to you, my beautiful wife to be.
Standing Tracy's.
Although that Aqua Pegasus, I really liked her maid.
With digging.
But not nearly as pink or luscious as yours, my dear. Plus, she could never be as smart or as pretty as you.
Fluttershy let Discord go and she rested on the floor. Discord looked down at her, smiled softly as he watched her slowly inhale and exhale, seeing her fuzzy yellow belly move up and down.
What if
He
Fluttershy
laid next
became
to
the
her, wanting to
prostitute?
rub her belly, but stopped himself.
You know you're the most beautiful pony in Equestria to me, right?
I was just so afraid that you would leave me forever.
Now, my dear, I would never do that to you, Fluttershy. I have been a trickster, a swindler, a wisecracker, and... Wait, where was I going with this?
You may have been those things, but...
Yes, thank you, my dear. But, throughout all these years, you're the only one I've never lied to.
And a lot of stuff is happening in October.
That I would be by your side for the rest of our
days together. I'm sorry. I really needed that.
It's all right. I know things are changing. We are changing. With you being pregnant and all the mood swings you'll be having.
I'm sorry, Discord.
I love mood
I should have
swings.
trusted you more.
I'll tell you what, my dear. I won't party anymore today, since the bachelor party is officially ruined.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry for ruining all the fun.
Oh, no.
Well, I mean...
They were about to do... things to Big Mac and Shining Armor. And I don't think...
Heck, man.
...help it. So it's a good thing you showed up when you did.
I am legally obliged to say that I would not wish if I was Spike, Big Mac, or Shining Armor. Like, nah. Or Discord, you know. Legally contracted, you know. Would not. I repeat, would not. Would not.
Fluttershy then placed her head on his lap, and he began to slowly run his hands through her silky pink mane. No knots, no tangles, just her perfect soft mane through his fingers. Seeing her look so at peace, Discord couldn't help but feel that his heart was about to burst. No.